Hello designers and welcome back to Design School for WordPress Beginners. Elementor version 2.4 beta is out and I've been testing it for quite some time, and these are all the new features that are coming in the upcoming version. I think it will be released within a week or so watch out for that. Anyway, let's get started and find what the new features are. So the first one is a UI change, and it's a major one. Previously, you used to have everything under one panel. Now, templates are separated from other settings and tweaks. So, you now have a separate panel for templates itself, and you can find save templates, add new, and categories under it, which we'll cover in a bit. The second one is organization of templates. Well, the templates panel itself is different, and also the organization of templates has changed a bit. Let me click on the templates here, and you can see apart from the normal tabs that you also have something called categories. So let me click on that. It's nothing but to group different templates into a category. So let's say you're designing for 3 clients and you want to have all the designs of client 1 under one category and the designs of client 2 in a separate category. You can do that. Simply create client 1 category, just click on add new category, and category is added just like that, just the way it is added for WordPress posts. You can now go back to your saved templates, which is basically your templates, and you can click on quick edit and change the category of anything to any category that is available over here. So you can also create a new category from the main edit page. So you can do that. Just press on quick edit and I'll change the category to client 1. So now you can filter by that. I'll choose client 1 and I'll click on filter, and you can see only that template will be shown. So that's great, and it will help in better organizing my templates on my Elementor website. And the next feature is called safe mode. Well, when you enable safe mode, it will basically load your templates without loading any of the themes or plugins. So you can simply enable it and click on save changes. This will basically help you troubleshoot and find any conflicting plugins that are basically ruining your Elementor templates. The next feature is responsive backgrounds. What exactly are responsive backgrounds? Let me show you with an example. So let me add a column and let me click on this. Let me choose a minimum height for this so that you can clearly see what's happening behind the scenes. Now let me pick a background for this, and let me choose an image, and you can see that there is an icon which shows that this particular image or this particular setting is for desktop. So let me first pick an image. So I'll choose this one. So this doesn't look great, so I just want to position it properly, and you can do that. There are various settings for this and you can adjust it. And I think that looks great. So you can play with these settings and make sure your image looks great on your desktop. But what's really great is that you can do that separately for tablet and mobile devices separately. So you can have a separate image for tablet. So you can insert another image for tablet, basically completely different image other than this one, and have various different settings for this. So watch what happens when I switch back to the desktop mode. The background is changed and also various settings. Similarly, you can have a different background or different settings for mobile devices. So maybe for mobile devices, I'll just have this background with this man standing here, and this is how it looks. And I can tweak certain settings. Maybe I'll just say contain, so everything is visible clearly. and that's basically responsive backgrounds. So based on the type of device, you can assign various backgrounds or various settings of that particular image. And the next feature is responsive borders, and you may have guessed by the name that you can have different types and different radiuses and widths of border for different devices. So I'll pick this element, I'll give a border of solid, and maybe I'll say width of 4 and maybe border radius around 2, and I can choose a different border for tablet and mobile devices. So maybe for mobile devices I just want the border to be thin, and also for tablet I just want the border to be thin, and I just want this thick border only on desktop devices. And you can do that with responsive borders feature added into Elementor version 4.2.4. And there's another cool little feature called pop-ups. So now Elementor is going to do pop-ups natively, so you don't have to install any third-party plugin or buy any add-on pack for pop-ups. And unfortunately I can't show you because it's not appearing on my website right now. Remember, this is beta, so maybe they have added that feature only to few testers out there. It depends, and don't worry, we'll find out once it comes out. And I'm really excited about this release. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'll talk to you in the next video. Peace. And that's it for now, and hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And if you need anything else, don't hesitate to ask. I'm ready to help you. Catch you in the next video. Peace.